Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner, and today's session is designed to guide you in accessing insights and deliberate guidance from within, what some call the infinite intelligence. This session will help you prompt yourself for clarity and answers, just as you might ask AI for solutions. But here, we'll be tapping into your inner wisdom, your experience, and the collective unconscious, what Carl Jung referred to as the matrix of all human knowledge. Before we begin, let's get clear on one thing. Every great answer starts with a well-defined question. And for that, we first need to identify your desired outcome. What do you truly want? Be clear and specific. Your question will arise from that well-formed outcome. Take a moment to reflect. Does your intention relate to your career, relationships, health, or another important aspect of your life? Once you've identified your outcome, frame it as an open-ended question, beginning with what, where, how, or when. For example, if your goal is to generate financial stability and earn X amount of money monthly, you might ask, what steps can I take to create a steady flow of X amount per month? If you seek a meaningful, long-term relationship, you might ask, who do I need to become to attract a long-term, fulfilling partnership? If it's about a specific health issue, you could ask, what do I need to do to heal and recover from X issue? Pause this session if you need more time to refine your outcome and question. Close your eyes now and take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw soften, and your body settle into the surface beneath you. Breathe in calmness and exhale any distractions or tension. Allow your breath to flow naturally as you feel yourself becoming more present, grounded, and ready to receive. Now, imagine the feeling of having already attained your desired outcome. Focus on that feeling in your body, the sense of joy, peace, or fulfillment it brings you. When you're ready, ask your question silently or out loud, as though you are asking it to the universe itself. Let it flow outward like a beam of light, reaching into the infinite field of wisdom that surrounds you. Trust that the answers are forming and will return to you in the way you need. Through images, ideas, words, or simply a sense of knowing. Breathe deeply now. Relax. Trust the process. Allow feelings, images, or insights to surface naturally. Stay silent for a moment, open to whatever arises. Take a deep breath in and exhale completely. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Remember, the insight and answers you seek may continue to come to you in the hours or the days ahead. You might be surprised by how the guidance appears, as though someone is whispering the answers to you and showing you the way. When you're ready, open your eyes. Feel calm, focused, and confident in your ability to access the insight and guidance you need. Thank you for joining me today. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. For more transformative sessions, visit hypnocloud.com.